Hey everyone, it's Jessica and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my entryway. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys some updates I recently did to my entryway. So this is what my entryway currently looks like. I've pretty much had the same furniture in my entryway since I moved in my home about 4 years ago. I definitely wanted a new entryway table for this space. This dark one gets really dusty all the time, and I definitely wanted something a little bit more modern. I also wanted to do something a little bit different to this bench that I have here across from my entryway table. I also wanted to say thank you to Homary for partnering with me on today's video and gifting me the lovely furniture pieces that I will be sharing with you in today's video. The first piece from Homary that I'm sharing with you is the new entryway table that I decided on. It also doubles as a shoe organizer, so I'm really excited to share it with you guys. So this is how it was shipped to me, and it did take a little bit of work with a hammer to get all of that extra wood off that was helping to protect the box. The good news is it came pretty much fully assembled, so all I had to do was drill the legs on the bottom. So here is what the entryway table / cabinet looks like. As you can see, it's very different from what I had before. I love that it has a very slim profile, so it's perfect to use if you have a really narrow entryway. It also has a little cutout here in the middle so you can add books or decor in there, and there's just enough space on the top shelf to add whatever entryway decor you want to add. The top is also tempered glass, and the main reason I chose this is because it also doubles as shoe storage. I was tired of the shoe bomb in my entryway closet, so I thought this would be perfect to hide and organize all of my shoes and also free up some of that floor space in my entryway closet. It can hold up to 17 pairs of shoes depending on the size of the shoe and also what type of shoe. So I'm going to finish up putting all the shoes in the cabinet, and then I will be back to show you what everything looks like. So I was able to fit 14 pairs of shoes in the entire cabinet, and I do have an empty spot right here for the 15th pair, which my daughter Hannah is currently wearing, so when she gets home from school she will add those shoes inside. The doors are pretty easy to open. All you have to do is press on the center of the top and the bottom drawer, and for the two side doors all you have to do is press on the top corner and it pushes right open. And here's what it looks like with all of the doors open. I will do some styling to the top and I will show you that later in the video, and I will also have this linked down below in case you're interested, along with an 8% off coupon code, so definitely check that out. The next item of furniture from Homary that I wanted to share with you is an entryway bench that I got to replace the other bench that I currently have. So after I unboxed the bench and I put it over next to my other bench, I noticed that it wasn't as long and the depth of the seat was a little more shallow than my current bench. And after looking at them side by side, I definitely preferred the size of my current bench. I like how it fills out the space a little bit more. I will say the seat on the new bench is way more comfortable than my current bench. It was so soft and squishy. I wish it was just a little bit bigger. So I did decide to go ahead and put the bench upstairs in my guest bedroom. I thought it would be the perfect addition to add to the foot of the bed. And if you are interested in this bench, I will have it linked below as well. I think they have it in 2 other colors, like a rich forest green, and I think they also have it in like a blush pink. Since the bench didn't quite work out in my entryway, I decided that a new, bigger, longer throw pillow on my current bench would look a lot better than the small one that I currently have on it. So now we're gonna do a little bit of pillow shopping. My first stop was Marshall's, and I found one that I really liked until I flipped it over, and then I noticed there was a big Tommy Hilfiger logo on the corner, so I left that one behind. I also hit up Target. I didn't really see anything that I liked. I liked the length of this one here, but it had a little too much going on with all the tassels and everything. And my last stop was Home Goods. I figured that I would definitely find something here that I liked. So I decided to get the pillow that I'm showing you right here in this clip. I thought the length was perfect. It was a nice, really pretty bright white, and it did have some texture on it, so I really liked that. I also thought it would contrast really well against the dark bench that I have, and here's what it looks like on the bench. And now I'm going to share with you how I styled the Entryway tabletop. So I pretty much just used everything that I already had on the previous tabletop. I just rearranged it a little bit. I did also add the little geode that you see here. I also bought that at Home Goods while I was out shopping for pillows. I also added the candle that was on my previous tabletop down here in that little cubby. It fit perfectly. It is a flameless candle, so it won't burn anything. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to share some before and afters. It's not a huge transformation, but it definitely makes a difference. I love having that storage cabinet for all of the shoes. It looks a lot brighter and airier in here, and I really love the new modern pieces. I also wanted to say thanks again to Homary for partnering with me on today's video. Definitely check them out if you are looking for some really cool modern furniture. I love the pieces that they sent me. I will have everything linked down below along with a coupon code for 8% off, so definitely check that out.